I had 2 parents, as did all of us, 4 grandparents, 8 great-grandparents. And if you go back 50 generations to the time of, it's only 50 generations, to the time of Alexander the Great, that's tens of millions of people. Tens of millions of people who have lived, loved, died. Furthermore, they had to be in a certain mood at a certain moment, otherwise you wouldn't be here. If one of them was missing out of these 10 million people, or tens of millions of people, or if one of them wasn't in a mood on a certain occasion, you and I wouldn't be here. Is this all an accident? Is it totally an accident that you and I even exist? Is the whole fact of our existence, or the whole fact of the existence of a planet on which we live, which is 3.8 billion years old, in a universe that began 13.8 billion years ago, what's the statistical probability of you and I actually even existing? So there's a school of thought that says, everything from the beginning of time at this moment is a series of accidents, a highly improbable event, a conspiracy of total improbabilities, total randomness and total chance. So that's one school of thought. But another school of thought, and that goes back literally 2,500 years to the time of Buddha, says that nothing is random. That what we call accident or random is actually a synchronistic, interdependent co-arising of events and relationships since the beginning of time. And that this is the nature of consciousness. That consciousness has the ability to synchronistically, interdependently give rise to an infinity of space-time events. And what we call random or accident is because with bits and pieces of our sensory experience, we cannot comprehend the whole. That's why Buddha makes a very strong distinction between what is perception and what is seeing, which other people have done too. William Blake says, we are led to believe a lie when we see with and not through the eye that was born in a night, to perish in a night while the soul slept in beams of light.